In this video, you will learn many of the essential features that the Specialloy Digital Chart Recorder software has to offer. When the software is open, you can click the Find button at the top left side of the screen in the menu bar above the sensor section. This will allow you to search for any sensors that might be connected. Be sure to always zero out your sensor prior to pressure testing. Right next to the Find button, you can click the Manage button, which allows you to rename or add different operations, such as subtracting one pressure from another. If you would like to clear the changes you have made, simply click the Clear operation. The alarm feature will allow you to enable a high pressure alarm or a low pressure alarm. Either alarm will trigger a visual warning when the pressure reading exceeds your set limit. In this example, we will set an alarm for any pressure above 100 psi or below 50 psi. You will receive a visual alarm at the beginning of your test, since the lower alarm is set to trigger below 50 and with the current pressure at 0. Simply pressure up above your desired lower end alarm and clear off the alarm by clicking OK. You can see that as we exceed the high pressure set point, another notification will pop up informing us that we have gone above 100 psi. And again, as we pressure down, a notification that we hit the lower end of our set point. On the bottom left side of the screen, you can check the Show Alarm Levels box to see your alarms displayed on the screen as dotted lines. The next feature at the top of the screen, above the Settings section, you have a filter and an absolute gauge button. These are additional settings that you can modify your test by filtering out electrical frequencies or changing gauge pressure to absolute pressure. Next to the Settings section, you have a Leak Test section, which is further explained in our leak test setup demonstration video. Next to that is an Excel export button. This allows you to export current readings directly to an Excel spreadsheet. Finally, the Reporting Settings section allows you to modify the report settings, which is further explained in another video called Modify a Certificate Template.